What's your name?
I am Myra Lisa Baladan.
How old are you?
I am 40 years old.
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have son or daughter?
Yes.
How old are they?
17 and 9 years old.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years and 3 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes.
How long have you been working with the current or previous employer?
2 years.
Where is your employer living in?
Taiwan.
How many square feet of your employer house?
1008.
How many family members are there?
3. 2
How many-
adults, 1 child.
How many children of your employer?
1.
How old are they? How old the kids?
3 years old.
Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 o'clock
And then?
in the morning, and then I do prepare breakfast for for the child if
And then?
she wake up.
And then?
And then after that, my sir, if she wake up, I will prepare coffee and breakfast. And then after that, after my sir leave, go to the work, I will play with the child. I will read a book for her, and then I will give her something to do, like a work, writing ABCs. And then after that, I will do my work. After I send her to the school bus downstairs,
And
I
then?
will going up to do cleaning the house, washing the clothes. And then after 1 o'clock, I need to go to the market to buy food for dinner. And then I do ironing the clothes. After that, I will prepare the food for dinner, like long soup. And then if 3:45, I need to go down pick up the child.
So, until what time you go to sleep?
10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.